In response to reports that the Senapati District Students Association (SDSA) and its volunteers are allegedly stopping and inspecting vehicles carrying essential commodities destined for Kuki-dominated areas, the Superintendent of Police in Senapati, Manipur, has issued an urgent directive. The order highlights serious concerns about the action of the SDSA, which is reportedly halting deliveries from online stores such as Flipkart, Amazon and Myntra, specifically targeting orders placed by Kuki individuals. The official statement from the Superintendent of Police underscores the potential for these actions to escalate into a significant law and order issue within the district. To prevent further disruption, the order mandates the police officer in charge of Senapati Police Station to ensure that such activities are immediately ceased on National Highway number 2. Reinforcements from the Reserve Line and Home Guard Police are to assist the local police by deploying day and night patrol teams to ensure the smooth flow of traffic along the highway. Furthermore, the directive also states that the additional Superintendent of Police in charge of law and order and the ASP responsible for National Highway 2 personally supervise the situation on a daily basis, ensuring continuous oversight and swift action to maintain peace and order in the region.